Learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Masechus Nedarim Perik Yud Aleph Mishna Yud. Teisha Nairis Nidre and Kayamin. There are three ladies that their Nedarim are Kayim, and no one could be made for them. So in these 9 cases, there's really 3. I'm going to explain the Mishnah the way the Ahuva says it, and the Gemara actually explains that the Mishnah is so Mayrach because it was just l'chadid ba'es al tamidim, and the Ahuva touches it up very nicely. So he basically says that there's 3 reasons why you can't be mefer. Yisayma b'chayaviyah. The second one would be if it's mesaviyah, and the third one would be bagra. So the first category are yisayma b'chayaviyah, which means that she was nisas b'chayaviyah, so now her father no longer has rishus in her, even though he's still alive. So she's called the yisayma b'chayaviyah. And in category 1, there's 3 cases. The first one is Begeres Vihi Yisayma. So he calls this that there's 3 L'Reisa because she was a Begeres when she made the Neder. She's a Begeres now, and she's also Yisayma B'chayaviyah. The second case is Naira Ubagra Vihi Yisayma. So this is Tarti L'Reisa because when she made the Neder, she was a Naira, but now she's a Begeres, as one layer Reisa, and also it's Yisayma B'chayaviyah, so that's the second Reisa. The third category is only Chadal Reisa. The only problem was that she's Yisayma B'chayaviyah. She's an Irish Shalei Bagger, she's still not Bagger. The only Chesaron is Yisayma B'chayaviyah. So again, the first 3 is all Yisayma B'chayaviyah. The second 3 are all going to be Meisaviyah. So the first one is Shloimie Reisa. She's a Begeres when she made the Neder, and she's also a Begeres now, and she's also Meisaviyah. So for 3 reasons, no one could be made for her Nedarim. The second one is Tarti Reisa, Naira Begeres Meisaviyah. So when she made the Neder, she was a Naira, but it's Chadal Reisa of Begeres and a Chadal Reisa of because it's Meisaviyah. And the third case is Naira Shaloi Bagra Umeis Aviyah. So over here, it's only Chadal Reisa because she's still a Naira even now, and when she made the Neder, the only Chesaron is Meisaviyah. And in the third category, all the Chesaronis is Begeres, but the first one has Klasal Reisa because it was Naira Shemeisaviyah Misha Meisaviyah Bagra, so it was Meisaviyah when she made the Neder, and it's Meisaviyah now, and also she's a Begeres. The second one has Tarti Reisa because it's Begeres Vaviyah Kayim, so when she made the Neder, there was no Chesaronis, but now there's 2 Chesaronis, which is Begeres when she made the Neder and Begeres now. And the third one is only Chadal Reisa because it's Naira Begeres Vaviyah Kayim, so the only Chesaron is that now she's a Begeres. Rabbi Yehuda argues, and the Yisaydi Yisayma B'chayaviyah, and he holds Af Hamasi Bita Ketanam and it's Amnun Eskarsha, even after Nesuin, if now she's Chazar to be a Almana or a Grusha, Chazar Etzah, she goes back to her father, Adayin Hi Naira, the father is able to be Mefer her Nedarim. Mishna Yud Aleph, Koinim She'eni Nena La'abo Lavicha, if the Isha says, I'm not going to have Hana from my father or your father, Im Oisa Ani Al Picha, she tells her husband, if I do Maisi Adayim for you, or she says to her husband, She'eni Nena Tzlach, I'm not going to have enough from you, Im Oisa Ani Al Pi Abo Al Pi Avicha, if I do something for my father or for you father. So in these cases, the thing that's allowing him to be mefer, which is dvarim shebeino leveina, is not chal yet because she wasn't over her tana yet. Only if she would be oisa ani alpicha, then it would be dvarim shebeino leveina. Yet the Tana of our Mishnah held harei yafer. So the Tana of our Mishnah held that in the halacha of afara, Baal could be mefer even though the neder is not chal. The Gemara brings Reb Nassan, who argues and says that Ein habal mefer elim kein chal haneder, that the Baal cannot be mefer until the neder is chal, and it's actually dvarim shebeina leveina. In the Gemara, there's also 3 shitas. Do you say that the same way they argue by afara, they argue by she'ela, or do you say by she'ela everyone holds Ein hachacham mater elim kein chal haneder, or fakert, maybe by she'ela everyone holds that the Chacham could be mefer even though the Neder is not chal, and they only argue by hafara.